Hi kids, I wanted to talk to you guys about problem solving using shapes. And I know that sounds hard, but it's really easy and I know you guys will get it. So I want us to look at these shapes. So I put a hexagon, a rectangle, trapezoid, square that looks like a diamond, and a triangle. So we're used to seeing shapes like this, but I want to show you guys something. Let's look at this hexagon. If I do this to this hexagon, it looks different, right? But is it still the same shape? Yeah, it's still the same. Look, it has 6 sides. What about this? Is that still the same shape? Yes. So what I'm showing you guys is that we can move shapes around to look a little bit differently, but they're still the same shapes. So with our worksheets today, we are going to see this and we're going to see shapes being flipped differently, but we have to decide, are they still the same shape? And we know that yes, they are. As long as they still have, the 4 sides for a square or the 3 sides to make a triangle, they are still that shape. Okay, so let's look at this worksheet. And this worksheet shows you a rug, I believe it is, a rug, and it wants you to say, what shape is this? So we count the sides and we're like, hey, this has 6 sides. This is a hexagon. So which one of these matches this shape? So that's right, the first one. So I would trace this one. Whoa, my tracing is terrible. Okay, I would trace that one and say, hey, this is a hexagon. Now if I look at this rug, they want me to say, which one matches this shape? Can you guys tell? That's right, the very last one also is in the shape of a square. Oops, okay. So I want you guys to try these two on your own and tell me which shape matches. When I move on to this worksheet, I look at the example here and she has a kite, okay? The kite is in the shape of a diamond, so she's like thinking, is it this shape, or this shape? So she moves her diamond around and say, hey, look, it's the same shape. So that's what I was doing earlier when I was moving the shapes around. I was moving the shapes to show you guys that they are the same shape. Okay, so on this page, we are matching. So for number 1, we have to look at this, and it's the one that we just did up on top. We have to look at the shape and tell me, which one is this one? So they already circled it. They said the diamond is in the shape of a kite. So for number 2, we have a yield sign. Now, the yield sign, what shape is that one? You're right. It's not the shape of this one because we know that the triangle only has 3 sides. So the only one that has 3 sides is this triangle. Okay, let's do one more. So for number 3, we have this button. Okay, which one has the same shape as a button? Try this one on your own. Okay, for number 4 through 6, they want you guys to look at the pictures. So let's look at the shapes in each picture. So they want you to tell me, what shape is this? Do you know what shape it is? Okay, and tell me, think about, why do you know that it's that shape? How many sides does it have? How do you know? Okay, for number 5, the same thing. What shape are we looking at? And how do you know? And number 6, what shape is this? And how do you know?